Today I want to show you that how to set up this V8 sound system as our personal karaoke system. Okay, so first of all, of course, we need this V8 sound card, and we need a microphone, and this is a USB speaker will do, and we need a phone, okay, to play music or karaoke music, or MP3 will do. Okay, and another thing that this is optional, headset. Okay, so let's start how it works. First of all, we need to switch on this power. You press, of course, cannot switch on. You have to press and hold it about 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now it's power on. You can see the blue light here. Okay, power is on. Cool. Okay, now let me introduce to you what is the function for every port here. This is live 1 and live 2. Live 1 and live 2, if you are doing live, okay, you can plug the cable, okay, from here direct to your phone. Live 1, you got 2 phones to do live, then you can plug these 2. Okay, right now we are not going to use these 2. Okay, and this is a accompany instrument. Accompany instrument means that whatever playback from this phone, the music or MP3 will go through this sound card and then output to this speaker or headphone. Okay, now I'm plugging this one. Okay, applying here, and then you can see this. This is a micro USB. Okay, here, accompany instrument. Okay, and this is a charging. This V8 sound card got built-in battery. Right now already fully charged. You want to charge it, you can plug it here. Okay, right now it's fully charged. I don't need to use it. And this is an earphone or speaker. So I using this speaker. This is a USB speaker. I plug in here. Okay. If you got ears headset, you can plug direct. Then you don't need to use a speaker. Okay. Another one is the mic. We need microphone. So the microphone jack is here. We plug in here. Okay. You can see here, now I switch on this phone. Okay, I just play music. I play this one. And now the music is come through this sound card. And then from the sound card to this USB speaker. Okay. And this is mic. I testing the mic and see. Hello, testing. Hello, testing. Hello. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing. Okay, I volume down. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello. This is echo. Okay. And this is mic. Hello. Too loud, okay. Too loud. Hello. Okay. Then this is monitor. You can try one by one. Hello. Now no more sound here. Hello. So we press this, each of the button, laugh, red, pay attention, kiss, okay, song 2, electro, okay, pitch bend, animation, soft wave,
I like it, I love it, I want some more.
Here also can got more control. Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. 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 Hello, testing. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing 1. Hello, 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 testing. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. So you can sing your song whatever direct, then you can control this all controller. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, testing 1, 2, 3. So you can control the echo. Hello, hello, hello. No echo now. Hello, 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 hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Echo here. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing 1. Okay. So you can play around. Now you can play around and you have your own personal karaoke system. Bye bye. Bye bye.